Welcome back to the NK Autos channel. Today we'll be installing a carbonized cabin air filter for my girlfriend's IS250. We're going to start off in the glove box. I'm going to first take off this divider. Once we lift it from the left hand side, we're just going to take it out from the right hand side and put it to the side. And then we're going to be working on this tab. We're going to pop it down from both sides. Pull it up. And then we have the main compartment for cabin air filter. We're going to push up on it, taking all these tabs and releasing them, like so, and then we're going to pull it out. With this cabin filter out, we're going to be replacing it with this carbonized one. So I'm going to open it up and then put it into this housing, and then we're going to pop it back in. If you have the means of getting a vacuum into this hole, I would recommend cleaning some of this dust out. So far, this looks pretty clean. So we won't be doing that for this car. Well, let me just pop out the old cabin filter and put in the new one. So we're gonna first pop out this old filter. You just take it out like so. And then on one side, there's going to be an up arrow. So it's facing upwards like this. We're just gonna take this old one and match it, or this new one, and we're gonna match it. So the arrow is on the other side, like so. And we're gonna take this one, put it to the side, and then pop this new one in. There we go. The new one's in. We are now ready to put it into the air filter box. Okay, we're just gonna put it back into the housing. Push it in, and then we're gonna pop those 3 tabs on, like so. Now that the cabin filter is inside, we will take our black tab. We'll take our black tab and place it back in, putting the bottom in first, and then clipping in the sides, like so. And then we can just take our center divider, pop it in from the right side, and then the bottom. Now that it's set in place, that was how to install a cabin air filter on an IS250. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and leave post notifications on.